How to remove I am not a robot on Google Chrome. The I am not a robot CAPTCHA is a security feature used by Google and other websites to verify that you are a human and not a bot. While it's not possible to completely remove this feature, there is a few ways to reduce the frequency with which it appears in Google Chrome, and here are a few tips. First of all, open Google Chrome, then click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, tap on the settings at the bottom. Once inside the settings, at the left-hand side you can see privacy and security. Tap on it. Once inside privacy and security, you can see clear browsing data option available in there. Simply tap on it. Here, make sure to tap on the cache cookies and not tap on the all history option available there. Then tap on the time range and choose all time in the pop-up window. Then select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click on clear data option available there and clear this data. Sometimes CAPTCHA can be triggered more often if your browser cache or cookies are causing issues. Clearing them can help reduce this frequency. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.